put by Theo, the product owner, and I'm good to go. Fantastic. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. All right. So what's next? Okay, e-commerce clothing line. So what's the update on this? All right. But ladies and gentlemen, there's something I also missed out. Sorry, I missed something out. During the sprint planning as well, we need to assign. Oh, yes, we need to assign. Oh, someone mentioned it. Agbolaho. Oh, thank you so much. Ah, you see, we're in sync. During the sprint planning, we should have assigned it to somebody. Okay. So now, oh, have you all accepted my invite? I can't see everybody. Why? Did you all accept it? Oh, but not to worry. Oh, yes. Interesting. I'm wondering why I can't see everybody here. But originally, everybody is supposed to be here on this drop down. Then I can click on all your names. Okay. I'm not sure why it is not showing yet. All right. So during the sprint planning, we are now meant, when people, okay, let me rewind a little bit. When we are moving items from this backlog and when we are estimating, as soon as we estimate, like now I've gone back to the backlog. When we are estimating, now we're giving this to 20. The Scrum Master is now supposed to ask that, okay, so who is skilled or who would like to pick this item? All right, that's the best way to ask the question. Is better to ask the developers, because truly the developers they have various skill sets for various things. Somebody might be good with web applications, somebody might be good with mobile app applications. They're all skilled in different ways. So it's best to ask that, okay, so what do we assign this to? All right, they say, okay, Kevin should do this one. Kevin has skills doing this one, or he has done something like that before. Okay, so you assign it to Kevin and you do that assignment during your sprint planning. All right, so I'm just going to assign, since I'm still the only one here, I'll just assign everything to myself. Okay, all right, you still can see the sprint backlog from here still. Oh, I can see. Can you see this? It's showing Agbolaho's name right there. All right, I can see Agbolaho. It has been assigned to Agbolaho. All right, already. Fantastic, fantastic. Okay, let's see. Is anybody else showing? Oh, nobody else is showing, but I'm quite impressed. That is already on Agbolaho right now. Okay, I can see the sprints. Agbolaho can see the sprints. Okay, so that means he has nice one. Thank you very much, Agbolaho. Thank you. So now let's go back to our board. So thank you so much. Yes. All right. So we're also going to move this one. Okay. So we have one other item. So tell us about this, Kevin. What's going on? I'm so sorry, Scrum Master. I had, oh, thank you, Luis. You can see it as well. I have issues um with my power pack of my laptop. The charger seems to be touching, but I'll try and fix it. But I was able to borrow my neighbor's charger. uh I was able to borrow my neighbor's charger, and over the night to charge my laptop. I would start working on this today. I'll keep you informed on how things go. All right, thank you. So you've not started work at all? No, no, Scrum Master, I've not started work at all. So that is an impediment that you have laptop issues, and this is really not good. So let's meet offline. Let's see what we can do to get you a charger, a power pack immediately. All right. Thank you so much. All right. Nobody else. Okay. Now, ladies and gentlemen, product owner does not need to talk during this daily scrum. Product owner does not need to talk. The only time the product owner really needs to talk is if a developer wants to ask a question about one of these tickets. Maybe the developer is unclear about something, and you can just ask the product owner at that time, and the product owner can explain. All right. What kind of excuse is this? Oh my god. It's valid, right? Oh my god. All right. So we usually call this tickets. We call them tickets because now they have numbers, and a ticket is still an issue, and an issue carries either a story, a bug, or a task. All right. But we call them tickets in the real world. We say tickets, tickets. Have you started working on these tickets? You know, it's a ticket is right there, and it carries the ticket carries an issue, and the issue can now be either a story or epic, like we saw on that drop down. All right. Those things spoil every day. Yeah, so anything can happen. All right. So, like for instance, we had one issue. Somebody updated his laptop, and the update went south, and the laptop couldn't come back up. You know, it was just showing black screen, and it couldn't code, it couldn't do anything. So you can imagine. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that is the end of Daily Scrum. Can you see we use less than 15 minutes for this? It's not, we don't have a lot to say. All right, thank you so much. And we'll see you tomorrow for the next Daily Scrum. Please do not hesitate to reach out to me if you have any issues. I would be available. All right. Kevin, let's chat after this call so that we can see how we can get you a charger for your laptop. Okay. Thank you all for attending and have a great and productive day ahead. All right. Thank you. All right. Yeah, as a Scrum Master, you now need to know how to manage time. When you have more people there, you know, they should just give their feedback immediately and you move on. All right. So everybody starts to work again. Activity, remember? Activity. So everybody starts to go work on their items, work on their items, work on their items. All right. You can see that this particular developer comes and he's done with his own. He now moved it to testing. Okay. Now this can happen. So sometimes you can open the ticket if that doesn't, if click and drop doesn't work. All you need to do is to open the ticket or open the issue. All right. And click on it and take it to the next level. Okay. Testing. I want to take it to testing next. I close it. It will move by itself to testing. That means QA people have started testing that work. I, as a Scrum Master, am inspecting. Remember AIT, AIT, inspection. I am inspecting what's going on the board. I have seen that one has moved. I'm happy that, yeah, nice. My guys are working. Okay, then, oh, Agbalaho too is working on his own. He is also ready to move it to testing, remove it to testing. Oh, fantastic. All right. Now, welcome, ladies and gentlemen. We are back in our daily scrum and we are discussing what we've done so far again. All right. So I can see some items are in testing. Well done, guys. Well done. Hi. You are too good. This Friday, pizza on me. I'm sending all of you pizza. Okay, so let's see what's going on. STM22. You can see it's in testing. Okay, now another thing is the Scrum Master, because you need to get feedback from the tester. You know, now this item is with the tester. You want to know how testing is going. All right. So sometimes you could even just invite the tester to come and tell us what's going on, or you could do an offline discussion with the tester that, okay, how is this testing going? How is everything going? Or the developer too can give feedback. And definitely the tester and the developer will be working behind the scenes to test the item. All right. But each Scrum Master too needs to be, you know, is transparency and inspection, adaptability too. So you need to know what's going on with testing too. So if you want to invite, it's not compulsory. If you want to invite the tester to the meeting to give everybody updates, transparency, right? Let everybody hear what's going on. You can do that. Okay. So you say, oh, tester, what's going on? Yeah, I've started testing this work. I can see it's really okay. Most of the test plans that I have passed, and I should complete testing today on this. Oh, fantastic. Let's do this. All right. Thank you so much. You can see Agbola also as well. Tester, what do you think? Yeah, this is good. All right. Agbola even dropped the note that work is ongoing. Baseline codes created awaiting integration API. Hey, Agbola, thumbs up. Developer of life. All right. So thank you very much. You can see that things are really going well. Fantastic work. Oh, fantastic. What's going on? Kevin, You're still working on this. Are you having any challenges? Thank you so much, Scrum Master. As I was working on this, I realized that we have a lot of tech debts. Tech debts. So the tech debt is affecting the code. So we have some codes that have been written by previous developers that were in this company, but they did not tidy up their codes. They just wrote codes in a very uncivilized manner, and everything is scattered right now in the back end. I'm even trying to resolve their own code first so that I can connect my code to theirs to complete this work. Wow. Oh my gosh. So what's gonna happen? Okay, I can see Michael just joined in. Michael, yes, go ahead. I can see yes. Michael has now been assigned to this ticket. Fantastic. Nice one, Michael. So I can see, oh, so now what are we going to do about this? We need this is an impediment. All right. You know what, Michael? Let's take this offline. Let's take this offline so that we do not stretch the time of this daily scrum. Let's have a meeting immediately after this so that we can discuss the tech debt and see how best we can get things sorted so that this ticket, this issue, or can move forward. Thank you very much for that. All right. Now, oh my, this ticket is still here. Danny, what's going on? Haven't you gotten we've sent the power pack to you already. The delivery team should have gotten to you. What's going on? Scrum Master, apparently I've not heard from the delivery person. My neighbor that I'm sharing charger with has not come back from office yet. The person is on shift and he took extra shift and he's not back home yet. And my laptop is just showing me that I have 10 minutes left. Oh my. Wow. Oh my, oh my, oh my. Okay, let's see what happens. I'm going to work on this. I'm going to follow up with the delivery guy to see what's going on. He should have gotten to your place first thing this morning, but please let me know what's going on. Also, do confirm with your neighbor if he's going to be back or any other person that you can get a charger from. Okay. This is not nice at all. All right, but thank you very much for that update. I'm going to get on this right away. So I have two meetings now. I have a meeting with Michael after this. Then I also need to follow up with the delivery person after this meeting as well. I've added this on my checklist and it's quite important. All right. Thank you so much. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Somebody is playing with my board. Who is playing with my board? Somebody has splitted all my boards. What's going on? Please, nobody should. Everybody, let's just watch what's going on. Somebody has gone to tamper with the board settings. All right, so let's go ahead. Let's go ahead, everyone. So now we're done with our daily scrum. All right, and everybody is going ahead again. And now we're done with this. It's going to UAT. Michael's work is going to UAT, and the other work as well. Oh, is also going to UAT. All right. Okay. And now we have two items that are going to UAT, and we'll now do daily scrum again and keep doing daily scrum and keep doing daily scrum. And then we now let's move this to UAT as well. And Danny finally got his laptop charger, but he now realized that, oops, sorry, let's move this to in progress. He now realized that the laptop charger that he got was even for a different laptop make. The mouse wasn't able to enter his laptop. Truly, village people matter. All right. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. We had an awesome UAT. Okay, all our UATs passed. I'm glad to say congratulations to all our team members. And now we can move all those items. It's time to go and deploy. Oh yes, this should also, I should have added deployment as a column again. We now need to go and deploy and release to production, right? So as I said, the board needs a lot of updates. Okay, it needs a lot of updates. You can add different columns, so after we now go and do deployment will now be sure that everything is working fine in production. All right, then we'll now move it to done. Okay, so I'm gonna move. I, as a Scrum Master, if the developers forgot to do it, I can do it for them. I'm gonna move it to done as well. All right, so all these items are now in done. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, but we still have one item that refused to move, and now we are here again. Ladies and gentlemen, we just had our retrospective, and we're done with the sprint. We've had our retrospective using, our retrospective tool and all. We're done with the sprint, and I'm ending this sprint right away. But unfortunately, we're unable to complete this item, and nobody else was able to work on this because it's only Danny that has this skill to work on this item. So I've already escalated this to management as well, that at least we can get another person that has Java experience. It's only Danny that knows Java, and nobody else could work on it because it's a Java programming language task. Okay, so if we have two Java, at least the other person could have been able to assist. But ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the end of our 2 weeks sprint, and I'll be completing this sprint right away so that we can go and start a new sprint once again. So Scrum Master comes here, see the button, complete sprint. All right, so it says complete sprint. All right, 2 issues were done, 2 issues were incomplete. What's going on? Did somebody touch something else again? Move to done. My students have tampered with my board. Done. Okay. All right. Thank you very much. So complete sprint. 3 issues. Yeah. Three issues were done. 1 issue was incomplete. Select where all the incomplete issues should be done. Can you remember from our old story that move them back to the backlog, right? You can move them back to the backlog, and you can also move them to the new sprint. Okay, so for instance, the situation of what we have on our board now is that Danny got the wrong charger. Now we now need to send another charger to Danny again. So if we move this item to a new sprint, will Danny be able to start working on it immediately because he has not even gotten his charger yet? Or should we move it to the backlog because nobody else has Java experience except Danny? So we have to make sure Danny is even ready to work. And we also need to consider the timeline to deliver this as well. But let's for now move it to the backlog. Then I say complete. And that's it.